Hello friends, welcome back to Miss Win's at-home classroom. Today we focus on state test challenge, unit rates, real-world practice problems. Our first one is Jenica purchased 150 pencils for her friends for a total cost of $24.95. What is the unit price per pencil? A, B, C, or D? Let's work together here. We want the cost for one pencil, so divide the total cost by the number of pencil. We have $24.95. Divide that 150, which is equals to 0.1663, and continue. And we will round this to 0.17, so the answer is A. Our second challenge problem is during a 120 minutes flag football practice, Joe pulled 18 flags. On average, how many flags did he pull per hour? A is 6 flags per hour, B 18 flags per hour, C 9 flags per hour, or 60 flags per hour. Let's figure out together here. As we know, it's given as 120 minutes and we want to find in hour, so we have to convert minutes to hour. So we know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours means you take 2 times 60 is 120. So we know 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. And we also know 18 flags. We divide that by 2, which is 9. So our answer is C. Our last challenge is which player had the greatest average number of flags pulled per hour. Our first step is we will convert these minutes into hour. Okay, so let's work together. We know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So the first one is given to us as 90 minutes here. So we take 90 divide 60. So 90 divided 60 is 1.5 hour. Then we take 15 flags. We divide the hour is 1.5, which is 10 flags. We will do the same for B. So B, we have 18 flags in 180 minutes. We will take 180 divide 60 is 3 hours. And we take 18 flags here. 18 divide 3 is 6. And we will do the same for C. So we take 150, we divide 60. We get 2.5. That's 2 hours and 50, right? And then we take 20 here, 20 flag. We divide the hour. So we have 8 flag here. And our last one is we will have 120. We divide 60 is 2 hours. And we have 22 flag here, so 22 divided 2 is 11. So which layer has the greatest average number? It's this one. It's D. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!